Hey traders from around the world, this is Jeremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. So I don't know, I just thought about making a video today. The weather is insanely perfect here in Nashville, Tennessee. I just got back hanging out with Albert, which is he's the Chief Technology Officer of Real Life Trading, and just talking some website stuff and some other free goodies coming up for you. But wanted to just go over some day trades today, go over some statistics I wanted to share with you as we're approaching the end of August. Tomorrow is the last day. So if I don't take any other trades tomorrow, day trading, I'll be totally happy. We'll be totally set. We're going to definitely lock in, without question, the greatest month, again, of Real Life Trading's trading career and trading history. Let's just walk you guys through what we looked at today. Brad traded the open, and he did a very amazing job. It sounds weird. He did a great job trading. Here was a Netflix trade that he set up. So I'm going to hop over here, and then I'm going to pull up the chart that he published on TradingView. Give me 1 second. Open this. Okay. There we go. So here's what we were looking at. And so again, just kind of give you guys an idea of what we look at every day. So Brad was looking at Netflix, and he's playing this as a bullish retest gap. So this bullish retest gap, you'll notice that it was clearing the pivot. So there's the pivot from yesterday, and there wasn't really much stopping it. I mean, that's a simple fact. It's just gapped up above a pivot, cleared resistance. The trend is still bullish, and you have a giant black candle right here. So the next resistance wasn't really until here, and then about there. So he played it bullish. I will show you how he did it. Here's the 5 minute, and here's his chart. So let's pull up the charts. Actually, let me see if there's another one. Give me 1 second. Copy and paste this chart. He did it pretty quickly in the morning, but there you go. Okay, so this is the 1 minute chart that he was playing, and he was playing it as just a really aggressive intraday pullback. Here's the 1 minute charts on Netflix. Again, great little gap up. Steven Jackson, a few others got to take this trade, but here it is. So it's a bullish retest gap. Stock traded up, traded into the 10 EMA on the, this is the 1 minute chart, and played it bullish. And it hit targets very quickly on Netflix. This was almost a 3R trade overall. If you played it on the 5 minute or the 3 minute, the trade worked on Netflix. So here's the 5 minute trade, 5 minute chart, and you'll see if I pull up the exponential moving averages, here's the exponential moving averages on Netflix. Stock gapped up, pulled back a little bit here, came up to the 10, and bounced there on the 10 on the 5. This is the 5 minute chart. So also had a little bit of a bullish rotation there on Netflix. So almost a 3R trade on the day for Netflix. Brad, great job. I'm not going to show you all winners because we don't make all winners. We're about 50% on our trades. We win half, we lose half. That's just the way it works. So let me show you Williams Sonoma. Williams Sonoma. Let me show you the daily chart on Williams Sonoma and hop over and get Brad's charts here. So again, these are taken live in class. Let me just hop over here and copy and paste that one. All right. So this is Williams Sonoma. This is on the 5 minute chart. So looking at the 5 minute chart, he's playing as a bearish retest. So here is the candle. Well, I said bearish retest. I'm sorry. It was a bearish gap and go. It was a white candle. Stock gapped down. It gapped down below a daily support. It cleared the pivot from yesterday, and the trade was on. So here's the 5 minute chart. Here's the big candles that Brad was seeing. So big white candle. There's your evening star reversal. So it took it bearish there and had the stop there. What happened? Got stopped out. How much did we lose? 1R. So that was the morning room. I mean, that was really about it. So you make about 3R on Netflix. You lose about an R on Williams Sonoma. That's a 50-50 win rate. And overall, you take the combined, and that's a little bit over almost after commission. Let's just say an R&a-half. It's a little bit more than that, almost 2R, but an R&a-half off for the morning. An R a day keeps the bill collector at bay. It doesn't matter if your R is $50, $100, $1,000. That's a solid little chunk of change, just really quick in the morning. Now, Terrence Young, aka T-Money, he was in the trading room as well this morning and took the breakdown of this support right there. So there's the support. He got in around 77.99, I believe. So right about there. Had a stop up here somewhere and took off some profits at the low of the day. So he did really well on that trade. The two trades I had the opportunity to place with the trading room, and on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm only in the room in the morning day trading room for 2 hours, usually between 12 and 2 Eastern. I come in and just see what's out there for the afternoon. So here's the trade that I got a chance to trade with everybody was on 1-800-FLOWERS, 1-800-FLOWERS.com. Brought to you by Real Life Trade. Do you or a loved one know? I'm just kidding. Anyway, that was dumb. So Flowers, here's the potential day trade. I did post this on our TradingView. So if you follow us on TradingView, is free. And one other really cool thing, you'll also see this on our website, reallifetrading.com. Any trade that I post comes right here. So if you have this trade this website bookmarked, you should probably hop over here about every, 2 or 3 hours just to see what we're looking at, because I do post our trades, and you can see both of these trades I'm showing you. Let me scroll down here. So here's the Flowers potential day trade right there. Same exact one that we're looking at. And we wanted to limit intraday sell at 841. Ended up changing this just a little bit, but it worked out regardless. So it came up. It was a limit sell. So meaning I wanted to pull back, traded the pullback, rolled over, exited half at 2R, which was $8 and so we're right about there, and then exited the rest at $8 even, which is just a nice even number. Let's talk about how that looked on the daily level. So here was FLWS. Here's looking at it on the daily chart. So here's the daily chart again. We're just looking for gaps. This is how we day trade. We just look for gaps, and we do call it these trades live. So I liked Flowers.com because you had a nice long lower shadow yesterday. People are obviously trapped. There's a short-term support, and it was gapping down. So, I mean, it's trapping people. Anyone who bought there, and it was also breaking the low of the day on Monday. So Monday is a very, very bullish candle for the majority of the market out there. Stocks gapped down very, very strong, had some huge, huge white candles. So Flowers.com started breaking the low of the day earlier. So when it broke the low of the day, which is about 841, the exact low of Monday is 837. So it broke the low, came back and retested, and that's what we got in bearish. We got in on the pullback, on the retest of the low of the day. There's the trade, there's the post, and there it is on our website. We do have another trade, Etsy swing idea. Might as well just go ahead and click on it. By the way, if you go over to our website, you can just click on the ideas. It'll take you right to the chart. It's pretty sweet. So here is the Etsy swing idea. I want to close above $14.33. So we'll see if we can get a close above there, and if it does, I'll be a little bit more bullish than bearish on Etsy. So that's our bullish swing trade. So you can see it close. The high of the day was 14.31, and the close is 14.29. So just barely did not close above 14.33. So I'll probably be updating that idea momentarily, probably sometime later this afternoon. Here is BTU, a swing trade on BTU, and I'll go into one more day trade for the day, and this video will be done. So BTU, possible pop is how I called this one. Again, you can just see that this is the trade setup. Trigger intraday limit buy 198, stop 160. You can see everything like that. So what I'm hoping on BTU pulls back a little bit and then does something like that. Just a good buy low, sell high type of thing. Okay, so let's go to the Dollar General. And again, Dollar General was called out by Steven Jackson. I found Flowers.com on my own, kind of happy about that. But usually we rely on a team. I mean, this is a team effort. Day trading is a team effort. We have an incredible group of traders who we have a live chat with every single day. It's a chat room. It's open. And we're all trying to find stuff together. So this was Dollar General. And Steven Jackson was the one who pulled this up. And this was a great trade overall. So we'll talk about Dollar General, and it's pretty simple. White candle, stock was gapping down. So that's trapping people, right? Bearish gap and go. It was on earnings, huge volume. Here was the 200 simple moving average. When I saw Dollar General, it was actually below the 200. So I wanted to use the 200 as a resistance. So here is the 5-minute chart. And here was the a support, a low of the day support. So I wanted to retest of that support. And the 200 simple moving average on the daily was pretty much right about there as well. It looks something like this. So what we're doing is we're saying, all right, let's see if we can get the retest and then hopefully a rollover. And that just ironically is exactly what happened. I mean, I thought that we were going to lose on one of these. So either Flowers.com or Dollar General. I mean, mathematically, we're 50%. So either if we take two trades, we usually know that one's going to win and one's going to lose. Dollar General, guys, just played out perfectly. Trade down, took a little bit off the low of the day right there, and then exited the rest at our 2R target, which was 72.53, which was right about there. So overall, made almost 2R on Dollar General, so about 1.69. So between just Flowers.com and Dollar General, it's a 5R trade, trading 2 hours in the trading room. I wasn't even by the computer from 2 to 4. Had everything set up electronically to just happen. So it's a common myth that day traders have to be there all day, every second of every day. I did a radio show this morning, and then did a few emails and a few other work, and then was able to hop onto the floor with Brad And it was just a great day. It's been a great month. Here's all of our results. We track all of our results, day trades and swing trades. Here's everything. And as of right now, as it stands, my friends, the biggest month in real life trading history. Last month was 20 R's. We've locked in 25 R's. That is approximately, depending on how you trade your account, potentially a 25% growth in 1 month. And it's not doing anything crazy. It's not penny stocks. It's not pyramid scheme. It's nothing scary. It's just pure and simple trading. 45.83% win-loss ratio, and we're still making money. Ladies and gentlemen, risk mitigation is key. Trading is key. Having an amazing, supportive community, being engaged. This market is made for day traders, and you guys are just absolutely destroying it. Hope you had an amazing day as well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be calling the open tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be there. We'll get some day trades set up for Friday, and then I'll send you guys home. And next week, you'll be hearing live from New York City, which I'm pretty excited about. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Friday in the next update. Until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. See ya.